Okay guys, so here I'm gonna show you how we can make an app in less than 10 minutes with the cursor software. So here my prompt was, I'm gonna show how to make an Android app on cursor in less than 10 minutes. I think about doing an app that shows the actual weather of a location that I choose. I put also that he needed to speak in English because it's French by default on my computer. Okay, so here, that's my prompt. Like I said before, you need to be really precise. You need a lot of to give a lot of details to make it really, really sharp for the agent. Otherwise, he will be like whatever thing which doesn't match with what you wanted to. Okay, so he told me, oh, I would have you create an Android app in less than 10 minutes. Let me start by exploring the current workspace structure and I say, and then he instantly started building all the files, the code, and as you can see here, there's a file called build Gradle, which is the hand of Android Studio. The manifest, activity main. Every time you see about activities, it's like a page on Android app. So main activity is the first page actually. He said, now let me create the drawable resources for the beautiful UI. So now he's building the UI already. Let me create the data model and the API service because when he talk about API, which means he need to take the information from somewhere. Okay, so now let me create the main activity. So he's doing it. He's doing also a README file, which you can see here on the left side of the screen. And then he already told you, oh, your weather app is ready. Okay, so blah 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 blah. He's explaining you what's included in the app. So he needed to get me the API key. So I give him the API key, which is from the website openweathermap.org/API. And then yeah, this is the API key. Okay, so I fill it there. He changed the line, the code, and then he said, oh, it's ready now. He told me to test some cities. So what I did is I switch on Android Studio, and what I see is I run the app, and it wasn't able to start to launch. So I sent him the logs that showing the mistakes, the error, the bug, and he instantly find, oh, I see the issues, the error is occurring because there's a conflict. So yeah, he made the fixes and I rebuilt the app. As you can see, problem solved. So he told me to recompile and check. This is what we're gonna do now. So I'm gonna push that button, run the app here, and we're gonna see the app in live in few seconds. Sorry for the delay because my laptop is kinda old. Okay, it's running. It's running. So yeah, it looks good, right? Looks like the sky in the background. So yeah, that's the main activity, the first page. What you can see is you have a somewhere where you can fill the city name and then the search button and the title, weather app. So let's try to add a city name, which like I would say Paris because it's my city. Up, search, He's searching and boom, you will see Paris, 26-degree, scattered clouds, humidity 60%, wind speed 2.18 kilometers. Let's try another country, another city. Let's say New York. Sorry for the lag. New York. Okay. Search. Boom. New York 17. Oh, it's colder there. Let's type Phnom Penh, which is where I'm located right now. Oh my god, that's a real problem. My laptop is dying. Boom, Phnom Penh. Wow, 30 degrees. Overcast clouds, which is true because it just rained a few hours before. What we can try? Tokyo. Let's say Tokyo. I love this city. Tokyo. Ooh, boom, 27. Chongqing in China. Boom, 32. Okay, so let's see on the other side. There's a log cat here. The log cats is the way you can check the. Oh my god, it's so slow. It's the way that you can check all the how it works, how the app works. So yeah, you will have to get used to read between the lines and understand when you will have some issues, some bugs, and yeah. And then if, for example, there's a bug, you just need to select, copy, and paste on cursor here, for example, and he gonna find a way to fix the bug. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching and see you next time, guys.